Now let's see concept related to chessboard. This is the normal chessboard how it looks like. Total number of smaller squares is 64. Out of 64, 32 are black and 32 are white squares. But generally, okay, if I ask you to find the total number of squares in this chessboard, total number of squares, not smaller squares. The smaller squares are definitely 64. But total number of squares are. So squares with size 1 into 1, we all know it is 64. 1 into 1, it is 64. Squares of 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means size 2 of 2. This is one square. One such square is this one. 2 into 2. Next square is this one. So how many you can take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 you can take from here and 7 here. So how many? 49. Similarly, 3 into 3. How many? 1. You can take one such big square. 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total will be 36. And so on. So finally, 8 into 8 will have only 1 square. In general, this is equal to 8 square plus 7 square plus 6 square plus 1 square. So total number of squares in a chessboard is given by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 8 square. Total number of squares in a chessboard is equal to this one. But if I ask you total number of rectangles, not the squares, rectangles. So for this rectangles, just have a look how many vertical lines we have. Since 8 squares, so we have 9 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, we have 9 horizontal lines. To draw a rectangle, we need 2 horizontal and 2 vertical. Out of 9, how many ways we can select 2 vertical? Is 9c2 ways. And how many ways we can select 2 horizontal? Is 9c2 ways. So total number of rectangles in a chessboard is given by 9c2 into 9c2. Let's generalize it. In chessboard of n into n, total number of rectangles is given by nc2 into nc2, and total number of squares is given by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. Okay, now let's discuss chapter 3, geometrical constructions. So first of all, formation of straight lines. Out of n given points, if these n points, none of them are collinear, then how many straight lines we can draw is nc2, means n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial base. Now based on this concept only, example 1 in the book, that says how many straight lines can be drawn from the 15 points, means n is equal to 15 given here, from the 15 points in a plane if no 3 points are in a straight line. So out of 15 points we have to draw a straight line. How many ways? It is same as selecting 2 points out of 15 points. So that is 15 C2 ways. There are 15 points in a line. We will select any 2 points and we will draw a line. So how many ways we can select 2 points out of 15 points is 15 C2 ways. Then example 2. Example 2 in the book says how many straight lines can be drawn from 15 points. That means n is equal to 15. 15 points in a plane if only 5 out of 15 points are in a straight line. Okay. Out of these 5, there are k equal to 5 here. K straight lines are in a k points are in a straight line. That means number of straight lines if these 5 were not in a straight line was 15c2. If no 2 points are collinear, then 15c2. But since these 5 points are collinear, means they are not giving us how many points? How many straight lines? 5c2 straight lines. They could have given us 5c2 straight lines. They are not giving us 5c2 straight lines, so we have subtracted it. Instead, they are giving me one straight line because these 5 points are in a straight line, right? 5 points. So they are giving us one straight line. So we have to add here plus 1 in this case. Then next concept is formation of a triangle. Out of n points, again, if the total number of points that is given to us in a plane is n, out of n points, we have to construct a triangle. To construct a triangle, we need 3 points. as a vertices. So out of n, we have to select 3 points. How many ways we can do that? N C 3 ways. So based on this, example 3 says how many triangles can be drawn from 15 points in a plane if no 3 points are in a straight line. Same way, n is equal to 15 given to us. Out of 15, we have to draw triangles. How many we can draw? 15 C 3 triangles. Explain the logic. If we need to make a polygon of k sides out of n points, then how many ways we can do that? N C k ways. Means if we have to form a quadrilateral in NC4, pentagon NC5, hexagon NC6, and so on. So a polygon with k side, how many we can form from n points is equal to NC k ways. Then next concept is example 4. Next example 4. Let's discuss example 4. Application of this concept only. How many hexagons can be drawn from 15 points in a plane? N is equal to 15 and hexagon is k equal to 6. So how many we can draw? 15 C6 hexagons we can draw from 15 points if none of them are collinear. Then next concept is formation of a number of diagonals in a polygon of n sides. To understand the number of diagonals, let's take example of say hexagon. Let's take example of hexagon. How many vertices we have? It is not related to hexagon, it's any hexagon. So how many vertices we have? 6 vertices. N equal to 6. N equal to 6. So out of these 6 points, no 3 of them are collinear. So how many distinct straight lines we can draw from these 6 straight lines? These 6 points is equal to 6 C2 straight lines. Or if n is given to us, then n C2 straight lines. But out of this 6 C2, there are 6 are the sides, so remaining must be diagonal. So number of diagonals is 6 C2 minus 6. Extend the logic, number of diagonals in a polygon of n side is equal to n C2 minus n. And if you solve it, n factorial by n minus 2 factorial by 2 factorial minus n, that is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. Now example 5 on the same concept. What is the number of diagonals of an octagon? Octagon means 8. So n is equal to 8 given to us. It is example number 5. N is equal to 8 given to us. So how many diagonals are there? 8 into 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 2. That means 20. Next question is example number 6. Example number 6 says, if a number of diagonals, in this case number of diagonals is given to us. Example 6. Number of diagonals is 54. Means n into n minus 3 by 2 is equal to 54, or n into n minus 3 is equal to 108. By slight trial and error, we know that 108 is equal to 12 into 9. So n must be is equal to 12.